Hello everyone, today I'll create the most in-demand text effect in Photoshop that will definitely help you in your routine work. So without any delay, let's start. Just set your object on the artboard. You can take any fruit or vegetable and the procedure will remain the same. Just select Type tool and write the name of the object and make it bold. Put it upon the object and set the size variations just according to your object. So we need to rasterize it first, that is rasterize type, because we are going to set our text according to the object. Now right click onto the text layer and select rasterize type. After it, just press Command Ctrl T for free transforms and right click on the artboard to select wrap. Now just set your text freely according to your object and set the anchor points of text just perfectly as I am doing it. When you are done, just put your object layer up to the text layer because we are going to make clipping mask. Now right click and select clipping mask and create duplicate of this object layer. Now put mask on this duplicate layer. Here you can see this small mask option. Just put the mask upon this duplicate layer and hide this duplicate layer. And select your text layer. Make sure to follow all this procedure very carefully because we are going to apply changings or effects upon the text. So just select your text layer now. Now select brush tool and make sure to set foreground to white color because we are going to reveal our object, as white reveals and black conceals. So set white to foreground. Now gently press your brush to whatever part you want to visible. Here you can see how I am doing that. You can also visible the shadows or the boundaries just up to your needs. You can also increase or decrease your brush size by pressing right or left middle brackets. Make sure to follow all these steps correctly, otherwise you won't get the desired result. Just play with it and there you go. Thank you for watching.